Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Today we are going to take addition in case of rational number. Do you know what do you mean by rational number? Rational number means all numbers including fraction and the whole number. Natural number, whole number, fraction combinedly make rational number, and fraction is a part of a rational number. Fraction is a part of a rational number. For example, 2 is a rational number. 2 upon 3, that is also a rational number. Okay. Now what or main, you can see the exercise 9.2. Here find the sum. If you want to find the sum, then we will discuss it here. Addition and subtraction of rational number. And what is the most important part of addition and subtraction of rational number is addition and subtraction is possible only in like fraction. It's not very difficult to add the simple numbers 2 and 3. You can add 2 plus 3, that is 5. We face difficulty in fractions, and fraction are also part of a rational number. Fraction is also part of a rational number. Now in fractions, if you see, for example, rule, there is fixed rule. There is only one and one rule. What is that rule? That is addition and subtraction is possible only in like fractions. Addition, the rule is fixed. That is addition and subtraction. Only possible in like fraction. This is the fundamental rule. We used to forget it. This is the only one and final rule, that is addition and subtraction only possible in like fraction. You may multiply, you may divide, but addition and subtraction only in like fraction. What do you mean? For example, if we have a two number 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3, we can add them? Yes, we can. Since they are like. Like means having the same denominator, then they are like. We must know to identify 2 plus 5, that is 7 by 3. 7 by 3. So addition is and subtraction is possible in like fraction. Example number 2. For example, we have 7 upon 4 minus 2 upon 4. Now here they are also like. So we can go for that. 7 minus 2 upon 4. 7 minus 2 upon 4, that is 5 upon 4. So addition and subtraction is only possible in like fraction. Now what will happen if they are not like? For example, if you example number 3, for example, we have 4 upon 5 plus 7 upon 2. Now whether they are like or unlike, they are unlike. So how to add them unlike fractions? This is the main prime area where students face difficulty in adding the numbers. Now, if they are unlike, then you have to make them like. How we can make them like? By making the denominator same. How we can make the denominator same? First, we must know the lowest common multiple of 5 and 2. The common number which is common to 5 and 2. Now, lowest common multiple means LCM. We must know the common multiple of 5 and 2 or LCM of 5 and 2. So first step, you have to find the LCM. Why we need LCM? To make the denominator same. So LCM, first step, 5, 2. Since they are co-prime, they don't have any common number. So we can directly find the LCM. That is product of the denominator, that is 10. We can find using this method also 2. Since division not possible in 5, if number will remain same, 2 1 ja, then 5 1 ja, 1 as it is. So product of these two, that is 10. So LCM is 10. Now what is the next step? First step is to find the LCM. Step 2, make the denominator 10. How we can make the denominator 10? Second step, you have to make the denominator same. Now how can we go for that? We can make it 10. That is only possibility if we multiply 5 by 2. Now we cannot only multiply, so we multiply by numerator also by 2. Why we are doing? If we are multiplying by any number to numerator and denominator both, that not going to affect the number. The number remains same. So what you will get? You will get 8 upon 10. If you solve it, you can again get 4 upon 5. If you simplify 8 upon, so what is relation between these two? 4 upon 5 and 8. They are equivalent fraction. So again, now we talk about 7 upon 2. How we can make them like? By what we multiply? We multiply by 5. So 7 5 is 35, 5 to the 10. So what is this? This is equivalent fraction of this. 7 upon 2 or 35 upon 2. If you solve 35 upon 2, you may get 7 upon 2. For any fraction, we can find so many equivalent fraction. Equivalent means same. Now, this is the first step to make the denominator same. What is the next step? Now they are like, you can see these numbers, they are like 8 upon 10 and 35 upon 10. So 8 upon 10 plus 35 upon 10. Now they are like, if they are like, we can write 10 common, same, and we can add 8 plus 35. So that is 43 upon 10. So this is the way we add. Now we take one more example. For example, I take one more example, number 4. We take some more numbers. In case the denominator are co-prime, we directly multiply them. I will take one more example. But now with the process, with when you learn the things, we don't go in detail. I will explain you how it is. For example, we have 4 upon 7 plus 3 upon 9. Now in 7 and 9, nothing is common. So LCM is direct the product, that is 63. So LCM is 63. First step, LCM. So make it 63. How we can make it 63? If we multiply this by 9 and this by 9. Now how we come to know that why we are multiplying by 9? So as we know, our LCM is 63. So rule is divide the LCM by this number 7. Now 7, in place of LCM we can write 63. 7 9 ja 63. So that means this is the number. In this way we come to know that by which we have to multiply. Now in case of second one, again how you, by what number I multiply this? So divide the LCM by 9. 9 7 ja 63. So we need to multiply this by 7. Okay, so in co-prime there is no big deal. You can multiply this by this 9 and this by 7. So after this one, 9 for the 36 upon 63 and 21 upon 63. By taking LCM and making the denominator same, we can now they have become like. If they are like, what can be done? That is 36 plus 21 upon 63. That is 57 upon 63. So in this way, we can add the unlike fraction by making them like. This is the biggest thing. Now we can take one more example. Then we will move to your exercise. We will take one more example. For example, 4 upon 15 plus 7 upon 12. Now see, they are not co-prime. So we go for first step, find the LCM. Second step, make the denominator same. Make the denominator same. Third, after you can add them. Then third last step, add or subtract. Now first step, LCM of 15 or 12, you can find the LCM using this method. That is, first we try by 2, 6, then we try by 3, 3 5 the, 3 2 the, then 2, 5, 1. So you can 5, 1, 1. Now we can find by multiplying these four numbers. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 30, 30 to the 60. So 60 is the LCM. So we make this 60. How we can make it 60? You have 60 is the LCM. So by what number I multiply to 60? 15 4 the 60. But how I come to know that that number is 4? So rule is divide the LCM by the denominator. That is 15. 15 4 the 60. So that is we multiply this by 4 and numerator also by 4. Similarly, by 60 we want to, by what number we multiply the 12? So 12 5 the 60. So this is the number. So we multiply this also, this by 5. So what will happen? 16 upon 60 plus 35 upon 60. Now they are like. Now they are like. So if you add them, 16 plus 35 upon 60 or 51 upon 60. So this will be your answer. So in this way we multiply, we find the sum of the fraction. I can show you some. Here you can see on the screen, this is exercise 9.2. You can see here we can talk about this number, that is 5 by 4. This is 5 by 4 plus, then there is a bracket, minus 11 by 4. Minus 11 by 4. So in this case here you can see this is 5 by 4 and plus minus minus. Here comes the rule of integer. You must be very clear about the behavior of integer or the symbol in case of multiplication. So here we have like fraction. So simply we write 5 minus 11 or minus 6 upon 4. So in this way, this is question number 1 and A part of exercise 9.2 in class 7. Now we talk about the other part. You can discuss any part. Now here we can talk about this also. We can take any part. This also, minus 8 upon 19 and 2 upon 57. 8 upon 19 and 2 upon 57. Here you can see this is the number, both are negative. So minus plus minus. Now first you can write minus 8 upon 19 plus minus minus 2 upon 57. Now what is the first rule? First you have to find the LCM. LCM of 19 and 57. Now you can see 19 1 ja, 19 3 ja, 3 1 ja. So 19 into 3, that is 57 is the LCM. LCM is 57. Now if you multiply by the 3, it will become 57. Here we need not to multiply by n number since it is already 57. So minus 24 upon 57 and 2 upon 57. So simply minus 24 minus 2 upon 57 or minus 26 upon 57. So in this way you can find the sum. Okay, so I think you got an idea. With this idea of adding and subtracting, you must have an idea of concept of integer also. That is also very, very important. Otherwise you make mistakes in symbols. I have given a video on integers also, so please go through that also before going for addition and subtraction of unlike fraction. So once again I told you, I remind you, addition and subtraction in fractions are only possible if they are like. This is the fundamental rule for the fraction. If they are not like, make them like. So first and foremost rule is like, make them like by taking LCM or finding the equivalent fraction. Okay, so that's all for about this. So I hope you understand the concept and you can continue the exercise. If you have any problem, I can solve your problems also in future. I will take the exercise also. So I think it's more than enough, and you can go through the exercise and practice it. Then we will talk about the other concept.